Not on your forearm.
It's like climbing, doing like the natural thing. That's okay. Once we get into that shit, no.
That was the Tangerine Falls Trail in Montecito, California. So the trailhead is literally 5 minutes away from the previous trail that me and my friend Taylor hiked right before this. But in general, it took about 4 hours to get to Montecito from Monterey. If you haven't seen my previous video, it's of a hike to some hot springs. I'll link it above in case you want to watch it. So the lot by the trailhead was full when we got there around 12. There was only like 5 spots there anyways. And everyone else parked on the side of the road here, and here. And I found parking here, right before the bridge crossing. This is rated as hard, and I agree, since the second half of the trail involves a lot of scrambling of rocks and boulders. Make sure you pay attention to the trail split on the map. It is so unassuming that we made the mistake twice. Hey bro, why don't you come over and tell them about it?
Alright guys, so you're gonna come down this way. Alright, it's gonna be very tempting to want to peel to the left. Alright, don't do that. We already did that twice. Alright, want to peel to the right. It's a little hidden. That's gonna be...
So you go down instead of going up.
Exactly.
So as you saw from the video, the falls were completely dry. So unless you really love hiking this terrain, I wouldn't recommend coming here. I think it'd be worth it if there was somewhere to swim. Now I did see one review of someone talking about swimming here. So if you want to hike this trail when the Tangerine Falls are actually flowing, with places to take a dip, I think the best time to visit would be after some rain during the cooler months. Don't get me wrong, it was actually really fun, especially when we were coming back down and there was a scramble that we were stuck at for like 10 minutes and could have fell down like 20 feet and potentially would have broken something. But lucky for us, we escaped unscathed. Last tip I'll give you is to wear shoes that have great traction, because you can easily slip on some of the wet rocks and boulders. Alright, that's all for now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more of my travel content. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone you think would be interested in my content. I have all of my gear linked down below, in case you're interested in the equipment I'm currently using. And last but not least, a very special thanks to all my subscribers and everybody else that likes, comments, and shares my videos. You all are the very best. It's honestly good to know that people appreciate the hard work I put into these videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.